to the shop. It's that time of the month again. New HackerBox. It is HackerBox's 0030. Actually, that's not a good side, is it? That's a better side. SubGHz. SubGHz. So let's see what we got. I like the box. That's pretty cool. Oh, just a note on the, I did an Adafruit box last month, actually the beginning of this month, but I probably won't be getting more of those. I'd actually already canceled the subscription, but they had already sent it, and yeah, so I accepted it, and it turned out to be an okay box. The reason why I decided not to go with it is because I looked at the earlier boxes. There's only 8 out right now, and I think for the money, it just wasn't for me. But so yeah, now let's get back to this. Alrighty here. Got some cables. Oh, that's cool. USB. Let's see, what is this? Where's my scissors? What are we building? We are building, well, maybe. Okay, there it is. FM receiver. Awesome. Frequency 76 to 108 megahertz. Awesome. Got a little battery pack, some LEDs, and one of them stuck. That's a capacitor. Nice. This will be a fun little project. Even some surface mounting. Nice. That'll be an interesting little project to put together. Oops. Dumping all my stuff everywhere. Not even paying attention. Excuse me. Alright, well, you get the point. There's a whole bunch of little parts here. So that should be a fun little project for sure. Maybe I should have done that one last. Oh well, okay. So what else we've got here? Is this a transmitter? Maybe? A bug, maybe? Let's see. I see a microphone. See the coil. Yeah, I think that's what we got here. Let's see here. Yeah. I do believe that's what that is. Oh yeah, nice. Look at that. Some more antenna. What is this? This looks interesting. Oh, it's like this here. That's all the way. Okay. DVB, ST plus FM, DAB, digital video broadcasting, USB. Am I doing something wrong? Probably. Looks like it comes out. Maybe it doesn't. Well, little antenna. Here's the antenna input. That's pretty cool. Definitely can't wait to get on the site and see what it's all about here. Battery adapter. Got a little button. so 16 hertz. Okay, what else we got here? Looks like more transmitters, receivers. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Some soldering, more soldering. Let's see here. Huh, I didn't get a card this time. Well, that's odd. Damn it. I don't know if, if anyone else got a card, let me know. I didn't get a card. $433 megahertz. Yeah, okay, nice. I want to say that's a nano. No, it's a Pro Micro, I think. Yep, got a Pro Micro. Some header pins. Looks like looks like there's I guess there would be. There's 2 Pro Micros because there's 2 of these. All right, that's a pretty good haul. Well, I don't have a card, so I don't know what was on it. Yeah, looks like a really fun kit as usual. Can't wait to get some of these made. All right, thanks for watching, guys and gals.